Now to a live look tonight at Capitol Hill, where another vote for a 7-week extension of government funding has failed. Only 2 Democrats voted with Republicans to end the government shutdown tonight. It's officially been 18 hours since it went into effect, with impacts being felt from D.C. to Deweyville. Here's a quick breakdown of which programs will continue to operate and which ones won't. Social Security recipients will continue to receive their benefits, but workers could face furloughs, so processing for new applications could be delayed. Student loan borrowers will have to keep making payments, and the Department of Education says it will also continue to send out student aid. Now, SNAP or food stamps will continue, subject to the availability of funding. In Southeast Texas, national park employees at Big Thicket are furloughed, and national flood insurance is on hold. 12 News reporter Cameron Burchett joins us in studio with how this affects homeowners and buyers.
Cladra, there's a lot of uncertainty when it comes to government shutdowns, but if you're in the process of purchasing a home, you should expect delays.
Flood insurance, especially for Southeast Texas, is vital. It is extremely vital, and as of last night, it did not get extended with the shutdown.
Atasha Quibido has been in real estate for over 20 years. She says the government shutdown will directly impact homeowners and potential buyers.
You can't close because you can't get flood insurance.
The National Flood Insurance Program, or NFIP, is on a pause. Policies can't be purchased or even renewed.
And it's similar to that. When there's a hurricane in the Gulf, you can't close on flood insurance. So very similar to that.
This is especially important for those wanting to buy or those selling a home on a floodplain. And if your policy expires soon, you could face the possibility of not being covered.
The government shutdown, flood insurance backed by the NFIP is actually shut down, so they cannot issue any new policies, cannot issue any renewals.
Cody Hieronymus has been in the insurance business for 3 years. He shared what the shutdown means for current flood insurance policy holders.
It will stay in effect through your expiration date of your policy, but they cannot issue your renewal until the government then reauthorizes the NFIP program.
Hieronymus says if your policy ends before the government shutdown ends, you can still make payments. And once the shutdown is over, then you can renew. But if you're worried about whether or not you're in a floodplain,
you're going to be protected by your realtor, your insurance agent, your mortgage company. Those people are going to look into that for you.
Atasha and Cody both agree. And if you have questions about if you're located in a floodplain, you can give an insurance agent or a realtor a call and they will help you. In studio, Cameron Burchett, 12 News.
Thank you, Cameron. Lawmakers are expected to be back at the Capitol to try and reach a deal on Friday. So that means this shutdown is going to last for at least 3 days. We'll be tracking its every impact the step of the way. You can see all of our reporting as it comes out, as well as our previous content on our streaming app, 12 News Plus.